Digitalization and developers are the key to 5G success. Meantime, 6G will bring new capabilities. I'm Michael Hainsworth with Jason Elliott as we look back at Day 3 at MWC 23 in Barcelona. Jason, the digitalization acceleration continues.
Absolutely, and private wireless is key to doing that, Michael, to be able to accelerate physical industries in the digital transition, to cope with both the sustainability concerns, obviously, and also digital transformation from an operational perspective in operational technology. And private wireless really does help accelerating those capabilities that many of these physical industries need today and for the future.
And Chris Johnson told us that the industry is turning to Nokia because it trusts the equipment.
These organizations can't go down ever, they can't be unsecure, they can't be at risk at any time at all. So, Nokia has a great legacy of providing all of the tools, the skills and the capability, the people that make sure these organizations have literally had decades of that security and that risk-free environment that they enjoy with Nokia.
And Jason, we learned yesterday that collaboration between partners and Nokia is critical to 5G success, but today we learned that it's the partners and the developers collaborating that also extends the 5G network.
Absolutely, it's really important because the application developers are going to utilize the network and the capabilities of the network to create these new applications and services. So when you think about creating network as code or the programmable network using APIs, that simplicity level will open up a huge number of opportunities for application developers to create these new solutions and business models in the future.
We learned from Dish Networks that they need to balance the introduction of APIs to developers and the need to maintain the network security.
We have hundreds of APIs, which nobody has in the telco, but we have that because we're cloud native, but it's too complex. So then you need to simplify. A developer will want to connect their 4K camera to their cloud. They don't want anything else. They don't want to hear about 5G, about Wi-Fi, about security. They need it, but they don't want to hear about it.
It just has to work.
Yeah, exactly. Connect works, and that's what we bring, right?
So that's 5G. But Jason, we learned today that there are new features coming in 6G.
That's correct, Michael, and it's not just about higher data rates and more capacity. Yes, we can transmit data in 6G, but it will also be used to sense our physical presence. So we can use the radio transmission to sense physical objects, people, vehicles, cars, creating a digital sixth sense.
There's another key feature in 6G, and that's the ability to leverage AI to improve throughput.
AI that recognizes the channel conditions instantaneously, and then the two endpoints figure out what is the optimal way to communicate. And what we have shown is that you can get performance improvements of up to 30%.
So Jason, that's a wrap of Day 3. One more day left.
Really, really exciting, Michael. We can't wait for the last day. There's still so much more to see and do here at the booth.
What's the focus?
Well, energy efficiency is really, really important. So when you think about the radio access network, it's really, really important as we're deploying these 5G networks to think about the energy and performance that you get from these different types of technologies. And that's really what our customers are focusing on. And we have next generation technology to help them tackle those challenges so they can meet their energy efficiency and environmental goals.
So stay with us for that. That is a wrap on Day 3 here at MWC 23 in Barcelona. For Jason Elliott, I'm Michael Hainsworth.